Experience driving perfection in the 2011 BMW 328i. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded convertible segment. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a BMW are offered, including leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, a power seat, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power convertible roof, rain-sensing wipers, and much more. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.